I wish to commend your efforts. This is a conversation and an opportunity for a broader reflection. Excellencies, Malta has been consistent in upholding the two-state solution as the only feasible, just, and sustainable path towards lasting peace in the Middle East. Are necessary if we are to live up to the spirit of what we advocate. Fixed borders is through negotiation. In particular, we believe of a legitimate Palestinian government entrusted with a popular mandate. Excellencies, current issues must also be addressed with alacrity. Palestinians must immediately be given access to food, electricity, fuel, medical supplies.
ليش ثلاثة المباشر؟
بكره ان شاء الله هيتك مش من الحاجات كويسه هيتك كانت دارك اخوي وين انا